Let's first take a look at what it means when we want to connect individuals to their own creativity. Jung identified creativity as one of 5 basic human drives. The need to express our creativity is primal. The challenge is that most of us, when we're asked, don't think that we are creative. We think of creativity as something that artists do. What they don't realize is that creativity is about the attitudes we have, the beliefs we hold, and the ways we think. In fact, all people are creative. Creativity can be enhanced, it is teachable, and it improves with practice. For me, creativity is about transcending paradigms and beliefs. It's a soul-level yearning to fulfill a purpose, uniquely contribute, and leave a mark. It's worth the investment.